Auxiliary equipment and maintenance work. Preservation of equipment in good condition. Preservation of equipment in good condition. The recent meltdown of oil prices have turned tables for many profiting ship owners. As the profits decreases, ship owners have no choice but to cut costs and put up their vessels for sale or on layup. Subsequently, many large and even small oil exploration companies with a substantial marine fleet have shut shop, albeit temporarily, to avoid their businesses from running aground. The term laid up or layup of ships technically means ships which have temporarily been taken out of profitable service due to lack of charter or cargo. Sometimes, increase in the freight costs become insufficient to cover up for the ship's running costs. Laying up ships, therefore, does make sense to the owners during such rough times. The idea of a layup is to reduce the company's overheads, including the ship's machinery wear and tear, manning costs, fuel, insurance costs during this non-profitable period. Layup condition. Hot layup. This is typically for a period between 1 and 12 months. Cold layup. This is typically for a period of more than 12 months. During this layup conditions, preservation of equipment and machineries should be in good condition in engine room to avoid wear and tear and rust formation. Bilge and overboard valves. All sea overboard valves not in use should be closed. If seawater coolers, condensers, etc. are left open, the seawater connections should be blanked off. The water level in the ballast tanks, pump room and bilges must be checked regularly to determine any water ingress. Flush and drain pump casing. Blind suction and discharge nozzles of pump. Fill liquid end with mineral oil containing 5% rust preventive concentrate. Close inlet and outlet valves. Generator engine preservative oil should be applied through indicator cork. Main engine adding preservative oil in sump. Compressor piston and liner to be applied with oil with preservative oil to prevent rust formation and JCW water drained off. Electric motors with greased bearings need not be lubricated. If received with a grease fitting, it should be removed and plugged or capped. Blowers. Inspect blowers for rust on a 3-month schedule. Gearboxes. Fill gearbox and piping with oil containing 5% preservative oil. Plug all vents. Allow space for thermal expansion. Install a valved pipe on casing which can serve as filler pipe for adding oil to fill casing.